Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we've actually got quite a small video to do today. Hopefully it won't be too hard, but you know me, I'll probably be able to. We hop in the car, I'll show you guys what my parcel is of what we're actually going to be installing to Cindy the Citroen today. Oh Don, switch sides. Switch sides, my God, quick. Hey.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for opening the door for
You're
me.
welcome.
Yeah, you do have a moustache.
It's actually down here. I've destroyed the box. Like, right, please, because you're getting everything all over my fucking car. You can fucking clean it. Okay, so in this box, we've got, I ordered this so long ago, right? It took like a month or so to get here. I don't even know if it fits. We're gonna hope it fits because the eBay seller was like, oh, send me a picture so I know it fits. And I sent him a picture and he was like, oh, I can't see it. Can you like send it again? And I just wouldn't seem to work, so I was like, I'll just fucking buy it. I was like, if it doesn't fit, it doesn't fit.
Pass in.
No, I'm not passing. No, because I know what you're fucking gonna do. You're gonna sprinkle it everywhere. I don't have the fucking energy to deal with it. So in here, we've actually got an armrest. Cindy's gonna be, I'm gonna be whipping with her. Wait, my hand here.
What the fuck? Why has it got USBs at the front?
It's fancy as fuck.
Does it actually work?
I don't know, do you think I've tried it? Couldn't tell you, mate.
How long did it take Chloe to work out how to work it?
Wow. It's the other part.
Look how good that shit looks.
Why are you making me, you're making me hungry. Let's use my good trusty work knife.
That you don't do any work with.
No, I don't. Do you know how many of these I have in my locker? I probably have about 5 or 6 in there. I just steal them every time I find a new one. I just take it and put it in my locker. I'm literally internally raging right now because this fucking polystyrene is pissing
Calm
me
down,
off.
bloody hell. I don't want to get on the bad side of you, bloody.
And it's in my hair!
Sound like the Grinch. Oh, it's an iPad. Let's have it. Oh.
Well, will I kill myself by the end of this video because it's out of packaging, so yeah, probably.
Oh.
Did you see what I told you, party clothes? So yeah, so this, let's unwrap it quickly, just so you can actually see better. See, that'll go in that cup holder, slot in, should do anyway.
Hopefully. Does it add it? Oh, yeah, it does
Oh
fit.
yeah, it's just in the, it's just that's
We
not,
do need to tighten this
yeah,
down
that's
because
not down either. That'll fit and then that'll go on top and my guy would have like a, hopefully we can still reach the
I can imagine listening to Taylor
handbrake.
Swift with like.
Vibing like this. I sit so far fucking forward, will I even be able to reach the
Oh
camera?
no, you won't. Look how.
No, but look, you can put it forward. Oh, just quickly. You can put it forward. So everyone else, my passengers are gonna love it. So it's fine. This is a passenger. This is for all my passenger princesses.
Very thoughtful.
Anyway, let's go. Let's get it in. Okay, so we can't actually secure this down because basically the screws have snapped off
Yeah.
inside there. Can't like
1,
here.
2.
And that you can't actually get screwed in. So for now we're just gonna do it without screwing it down properly, but then at some point we'll probably try and sort that out. But anyway, let's push this in. So you just, I think they're just
Pretty cool design, isn't it? We did this in the course, didn't we?
yeah, you did. That's where I got the idea from, I think. I should not use myself to
Yeah.
yeah, it hurts.
Yeah, looks it.
That's alright. Let's go that way.
That don't look like it's going anywhere.
And then that slots there.
Nice. It's like Lego.
Oh!
Oh, what? What's that? This is some goodie bags. What's that?
Oh, I think it's so that these work.
Yeah, mate. That's insane.
Oh, look, they've got little like USB, so I can plug. I'm hoping this would charge my phone or something. I don't know.
Yeah, they got...
Oh, so that'd go in there.
Yeah, so this would plug into
There.
and then you can plug your phones in and charge all your shit.
Okay, so we're not actually going to install all the leads because we don't know where it goes, and I'm not going to keep it with the leads on anyway because obviously I'm going to put my dash cam in and I don't want too many like wire things. If you guys do want to get it, it does have charging things, so you know it's quite cool. Are them screws supposed to, they've got screw holes there. Easy.
Wee, look at that.
That's fucking massive. Wait.
Jesus, mate. What? No, that's lit.
That's quite cool, you know. Look, I can. So annoying, it's not secured down.
Yeah, we need to screw it down, but that's pretty lit. It goes out quite far as well.
Like chilling in my car. And
it goes out quite far.
Yeah, it's quite good, you know. But look, I've got a little extra cup holder, not cup holder, but like shit holder. Cause I've got
You've got enough storage, mate. Like, I mean,
there's so much shit in my car though. Wow.
Little upgrade for the C1.
Little upgrade. It's like a only a little one, but it's quite a cool little thing.
Yeah, but it's a big thing. People don't realise how nice an armrest is when
yeah, it'll be nice
until you have it.
If you ever think it'll be fun to get in a car with Michael, then you're fucking wrong. He's the most irritating person to drive in the fucking car. You literally sit there and you're like, no. Like this is what I have to put out, and it's so annoying. And when I tell you, my guy does this just randomly all the time. Like, I sit here and I have to deal with this shit. Huh?
We're on private roads.
No, we're not. I'm not even fucking gonna. I'm not even gonna stick up for you. I'm gonna bait you out. We're not fucking private roads. It's just an idiot.
Those potholes.
Just can't show the armrest. Look at him. Look, it's nice as a passenger actually to cruise along with your armrest on. And then look, we can push it forward. Look, ready? Look at that.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah, lovely.
I don't know if you're gonna be able to reach it, but you're.
I don't think so. I have to sit quite far forward to be able to reach the pedals. So I probably won't actually be able
I'm
to
sat
reach.
quite far back to be fair.
It'd be nice as a passenger. Not that I'm very much passenger. Well,
Oh, you're never passenger.
I'm not really passenger in my car, but that's fine. Look at that.
It's quite nice actually.
It's lovely.
Well, let me sit my normal position. That's quite nice. Look, it's got a curved thing. It just needs to be bolted down. Really.
Yeah, once it's bolted down, because at the moment you have to kind of hold it in place as you push it, because it literally just falls backwards. It's funny, I go to my car now!
Look how nice I've been. I'm leaving it in neutral so you can take.
Oh yeah, but let's just rip my fucking collar. Please don't actually, because my collarbone, my arm's forward. So no, you will though.
Oh.
Michael, please. Yeah, final thoughts on the armrest. I think it's pretty good. I don't remember what I paid for it. I think it was actually quite expensive for what it is. I mean, it's a nice quality, good quality armrest to be fair to you.
It's got fucking USB.
Yeah, it looks nice. If you want like a simple mod to do to your car that makes it just a little bit more comfy and like nicer, then I'd definitely get it. It's an easy one to do, like especially for the Citroen. I don't know about other cars how easy they are, probably still easy, but for the Citroen or Peugeot, whatever, it was really simple. You just pushed it in the cup holder. But yeah, anyway, unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Sorry it was just a little small baby video, but you know, still, I like these ones.
Easier for you, I guess.
Easier to edit, yeah, it's lovely. But yeah, follow me on Instagram at chl_.oe.
Don't do that.
Subscribe to my channel down
Don't do
below.
that.
Stop!
Don't.
And I'll see you, or we'll see you in my next video. Bye! Just quickly want to update you guys. Michael's just fucking absolutely accelerating the fuck out of my car down the street, like. Then there's like a van coming towards us, and we get right like 10 centimeters away from him. We're like, oh, it's a fucking police van. Dickhead. This is what I'm talking about.
But I think
We're going to the cop, and he was like, let's just dip back down here.